Now let us talk about the conditioner. Well, we normally know that people usually apply conditioner on their hair after washing it with shampoo. But why is that? They do so because without the conditioner, even though their hair is clean after the shampoo, the hair care routine is not complete. Whether you have fine, thick, thin, curly, wavy or coiled hair, you need to apply a conditioner on your hair. This is because the conditioner helps to replenish the moisture lost during shampooing and also to compensate for the loss of natural oils stripped from your hair during shampooing. The conditioner will help to give your hair a protective coating to prevent breakage, moisturize your hair and thus make it softer, smoother and shinier. You should choose a conditioner accordingly to your hair needs. There are conditioners for all types of hair needs. You just have to read the label. When you take your time to choose your conditioner carefully to match your hair needs, you will have amazing results. Generally, the conditioner will complement the shampoo that it is supposed to work with, and they usually are sold together. Now I am going to show you the ingredients that you could find in a typical conditioner. Like for the shampoo, I am going to show you which ingredients are said to be good for your hair and which ingredients are said to be bad for your hair. Now, after you have rinsed out all the shampoo with warm water to facilitate the action of the conditioner, you are going to apply the conditioner on your hair. 1. Section your hair in 3 to 4 parts gently for a better distribution of the conditioner. 2. Apply the conditioner generously to each part, but do not apply it on your scalp. Apply it only on the strands, not at the roots. Apply it especially on the ends, the part of the hair that needs it the most. 3. Leave it on your hair for the amount of time stated on the product. 4. Rinse it out with cold water or cool water to lock in your hair's natural oils and smooth your hair by sealing the cuticle.